But why is this Deceptor Max trail camera so good? I always talk about this trail camera, but man, it's been 2 weeks, I believe, maybe even longer, 3 weeks, and I put it out 3 weeks, and now it's finally on its last bar. Now, obviously, I have to change the battery, but I'll probably just charge it. But I did put corn up there last night, and I'll show you guys what happened last night. Nothing that exciting. Just kidding, something pretty exciting. Put the corn out right there. They're always finishing it. Let's get this battery out. So you turn it off right there. The poison is still on my hand. As you can see, red. So we're just gonna take it out. Give me a second. I need to figure this out. This was last night. A doe. Nice little 4-pointer. 5-pointer. 5-pointer. Yes, a 5-pointer. Okay. No, that was a 6-pointer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Am I doing something wrong? No, that's a 6-pointer. It was laying down right there, I guess. And here's the big boy. He is back. The big boy is back. Man, it's nice to have him back. He wasn't here for a very long time. But yeah, I wanted to show you guys what's been happening. And that's a 1-antlered buck. Thanks for watching this. Goodbye.